If you've recently bought the Fluid Pro AI Gimbal and you're planning to shoot with your iPhone instead of a GoPro, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete setup process, from unboxing and attaching the tripod to properly mounting and balancing your iPhone in landscape mode. We'll balance the roll axis first, then the tilt axis, before powering on the gimbal. By the end, you'll have a perfectly balanced setup that delivers smooth, stable, and professional-looking footage while reducing strain on the gimbal motors. Now let's open the box. Inside the package, left side there is user manual. Right side you'll find the Fluid Pro AI Gimbal, which comes attached with the phone mounting clamp by default. We will separate the phone mounting clamp from the gimbal to attach our phone later. Let's keep both the gimbal and phone clamp on the side for now. What else? We also have a mini tripod, which we will attach with gimbal later. This black box is not necessary for us as it has attachments and USB cables for GoPro camera. Now, the first step is to attach the mini tripod to the bottom of the Fluid Pro AI gimbal. Simply screw it into the threaded mount until it's snug and secure, but don't over-tighten it. The tripod isn't just for setting the gimbal down while you're filming. It also provides a stable base during the balancing process. Being able to stand the gimbal upright on a flat surface keeps both of your hands free, making it much easier to mount your iPhone and accurately balance each axis before powering on the gimbal. Before you begin, make sure the gimbal is completely powered off. Never try to balance or set up the gimbal while it's powered on. Otherwise, you'll be fighting against the motors, which can overheat them and reduce their lifespan. The next step is to locate the pan lock. You'll find it just below the trigger button on the gimbal handle. Before mounting your iPhone or attempting to balance the gimbal, make sure to switch the pan lock down to the unlocked position. This allows the pan axis to move freely during the balancing process. If you leave it locked, the gimbal won't move as intended, making it difficult to achieve proper balance. Before you mount the phone, unlock the bracket latch located on the tilt motor. The phone clamp has the direction clearly provided for landscape mode. You can also choose to change it to portrait mode, but we will remain with landscape mode in this video. Insert your phone into the clamp with your phone's camera facing the direction marked on the clamp. Your phone's screen should not be blocked by the clamp. Make sure that your camera rests snugly against the rubber pad at the base of the clamp. Slide the phone clamp with phone into the gimbal. Once secured, tighten the bracket latch on the tilt motor to lock the clamp in place. The gimbal must be properly balanced before you can use it. We will start balancing the roll axis first. Unlock the roll latch located on roll motor. Slide the roll arm to the left or right until your phone is balanced. Adjust the position of the roll arm in the mounting bracket if your camera continues to fall to one side. Lock the roll latch once your phone is approximately straight. Once roll axis is balanced, you can balance the tilt axis by unlocking the bracket latch and sliding the mounting bracket up or down. You can further balance by sliding phone forward or backward in the phone mount. Finally, make sure all the latches are locked before you can switch on the power. Now you are sure that the gimbal is balanced and pan lock is unlocked. Time to power the gimbal by pressing and holding the power switch for 3 seconds.